Hi, I'm Christina with Water Heaters Only, and today I'm going to be making arts and crafts with my son Frederick. Today we are going to be using a child's hand, a cut-out piece of paper. We're using a paper bag. We have a flesh-colored paint, red-colored paint, white-colored paint, and we are using foam brushes for easy application. So first step that we're going to do is make sure that we know where his hand's going to go down. And we are going to start with probably the pink paint. We're going to paint the face, right? Does Santa Claus needs a face? Okay. And then the next part is going to be the white part. Can you flatten your hand for me? Good job. Excellent job. Oh, good job. And then we're going to do a little bit right here. And last but not least, the important part, we're going to need a hat. And so now we're going to take your hand, turn it over, and put it flat down. All right, pick it up. And we have a Santa Claus.